Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use the new OPD GUH prescription form. So I'm in a test patient here in Evolve, and I'll go to the fill in a form menu and I look in OPD. And here I can find the prescription form. You can click the star beside it like I've done here to favorite it. So the form is quite wide, so if you click this little X here, that will turn off the side-by-side view. And now you can see the form. So the first thing you have to do is enter your specialty, which is mandatory. So I'm going to go ahead and pick gastro. Put in my contact number or bleep and where I saw the patient. The date will populate in automatically for you. So you record the patient's weight here. And then any allergies or avoidances can go in here. So I'll say this patient has a latex allergy. This field will persist. So the next time somebody opens an e-form on this patient, it will display latex, which is a handy feature. So there's two ways to enter drugs onto the prescription form. One is to search through our drug list, which comes from the Irish Pharmacy Union. So you can click in this little search box and start typing the name of a drug. The more characters you type, the narrower your search results will be. Press tab when you want to search. You see it's filtered on what I've entered in here. But we still have quite a lot. So I'm going to pick the 20 milligrams. And then it's populated into here, as you can see. So I just go for once daily for the frequency and put in the dose, say for 2 weeks. When I'm happy with that, I click the green button here, and you see a new row has been added to the table. So you can add up to 10 drugs on each e-form. You may find it easier just to free text in the name of the drug, in which case, in this box, you can just go ahead and type in your drug. And remember to update the frequency. There's a notes section here, so you can include any details of changes to medications and reasons why. And the e-form can be emailed off as a PDF attachment to the pharmacy of choice. So you go in and filter on county. Let's go for Galway. And we have a list of the different pharmacies that are in Galway that have got a health mail account. So we'll go ahead and pick the Claddagh pharmacy and confirm. And you'll see that the health mail address populates in here. So they'll get a copy of the prescription form. If you pick the wrong pharmacy, just highlight it and delete it and start again. This is a test patient, so it doesn't actually have a GP, but real patients, their GP name and practice will populate in here coming from MyPIMS. And we have health mail addresses for pretty much all the GPs in Galway. And it'll populate in here so the GP gets a copy too. So I'm going to then select my staff type, say I'm a doctor, and put in my professional registration number. So I can go ahead and sign and submit that right now, or I might get called away, need to go urgently and attend something else, in which case I can click the Save Draft button. So I don't need to redo the whole thing from scratch. I want to save it to my inbox. Click Save Draft again. So now when I go back to Evolve and click on the to-do list, in my items, I'll see here, here's my prescription form. It'll have the patient's name and PID and the date you started it. Just click on the name of the form to reopen it. So I'm happy that that's good to go, and I click the digital signature box. That'll pull in my username and the time and date. And then I click submit. So what will happen in the background is a copy of that is saved into the patient's records here in prescribed medicines, and will also get emailed out to the GP and the pharmacy. As you can see, the final form is laid out in a lot cleaner fashion. It's designed to fit onto one A4 page, and that means it's also printable. So I want to give the patient a copy of the prescription. I click the little print icon up here in the document toolbar. Click on the three arrows here and print.